tamreenun. Plural is tamareen. So in tamreen 1, tamreen wahid, which is 1, there are pictures and they're asking questions about it. So for instance, the first one says, Ma hadha, what is this? You see what it is? You have to answer that in Arabic. You have to answer it in Arabic. So you're supposed to say, Hadha miftahun. Hadha miftahun. So you would read, Ma hadha. Look at it. Hadha miftah. This is a key. Again, Ma hadha. Hadha miftahun. Ma hadha. Hadha kitabun. Hadha kitabun. This is a book. Hadha qalamun. Ma hadha. Hadha babun. This is a door. Hadha babun. Ma hadha. Hadha baytun. Ma hadha. Hadha kursiyun. Tamreen number 2. Tamreen raqam 2. Ahadha baytun. Ahadha baytun. So what does that mean? Is that a house? I don't think that is a house. Hadha. So the answer would be either yes or no. So again, ahadha baytun. You would say la. هذا مسجد. هذا مسجد. Next. أهذا مفتاح؟ أهذا لا. هذا قلم. هذا قلم. أهذا قميص؟ أهذا قميص؟ نعم هذا قميص. نعم هذا قميص. أهذا نعم هذا نجم. The next exercise. تمرين رقم 3. تمرين number 3. Okay. تمرين. It says here اقرأ واكتب. اقرأ means read. اكتب. The what is and. Uktub is actually the word here. The word is actually uktub. The verb uktub, which means to write. Between the waw and the kaf, there's a letter. That letter is called hamzatul wasl. Hamzatul wasl. Again, when it is in between your kalam, in between the speech, or in between letters, it is not pronounced. It is not pronounced. So you act as though that hamzatul wasl, that what you may call a alif, is actually hamzatul wasl. You act as though it's not there. So we said waq. We skipped that hamzatul wasl. Iqra, read, waqtub, and write. So the waw means and. Iqra waqtub, read and write. So we're gonna read it, and your work, your homework is to write these out. You have to write them out. Practicing your writing skills is very important if you want to understand and benefit from these books. هذا مكتب. هذا مسجد. هذا مسجد. When you write it out, you must put the vowels on. See, they're giving you the words without vowels. You have to know the vowels. When you write it, you have to write in the vowels. And we're also going to pronounce the end vowels, which is like here it's a tanween, maktabun. So if you say hada maktab, it's not going to benefit you much in this book. You must practice pronouncing the vowels at the end. I cannot stress that enough. That is very important for you, especially at a beginner stage. هذا مكتب. هذا مسجد. هذا قلم. هذا سرير. ما هذا. هذا كرسي. Remember, the ya has a shadda on it, but they're not writing it in for you. They want you to know that it's there. When you write out the exercise, you must put it in. أهذا بيت. بيت. هذا مسجد. So these are just random sentences they're making up. Sorry, ما هذا. هذا مفتاح. So it doesn't refer to a picture, it's just giving you practice with making these sentences. Next exercise. So this is also read and write. There's a sukun on the back. ما هذا. هذا قلم. هذا كلب. من هذا. طبيب. هذا جمل. أهذا كلب. لا هذا قط. أهذا ديك. Now if you wanted, you could have said نعم هذا ديك. But it is sufficient if you just say na'am. Ahada dikun, you say na'am. However, in this exercise, if they ask you something and you're disagreeing with what the sentence is saying or what they're asking, you should say la and affirm what it is. So if, for instance, if you wanted to say this was not a dik, this was not a rooster, you would say ahada dikun la, and you must state what it is. La hada qittun, for example. So again, أهذا ديك. نعم. Number 7. أهذا حصان. لا هذا حمار. هذا من. أهذا ولد. نعم. من هذا. هذا رجل.